Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a birthday edition subscription box and this is by the cruelty-free Beauty Box. This is how it arrives in the post. I've just taken my address off the front. So if you're new to the cruelty-free Beauty Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in their June box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. Now the cruelty-free Beauty Box is based in UK, but they do ship internationally. They offer three types of subscriptions. You've got the Beauty Box Mini, which is 100% plastic free and contains up to 6 beauty products bi-monthly for £22.95. Then you've got the Beauty Box Original, which contains up to 8 products, 2/3 plastic free, and that costs £29.95. Then you've got the Beauty Box Deluxe, which has the same packaging as the original box, but it contains up to 12 items and costs £39.95, and all the extras are snacks and lifestyle products. The website is full of information, so I definitely recommend checking out their website to have more of a background knowledge on the boxes as well as the products and everything. It's a really good website. I'll put details down below in the description, so underneath this video see show more. If you click that, will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. All items are cruelty free and vegan, and also you are able to personalize your boxes as well. So if there's something in particular that you don't want to receive, or there's something you want to receive, you're able to request that and also give your skin type, your skin tone, etc., which I thought was really good. For every subscription that is taken out, they plant one tree in the Borneo forest, and every month they dedicate 10% of their earnings to give to a charity. Now this box is kindly gifted to me to show you and tell you all about it on my channel. If I can find any discount codes, I'll pop them down in the description as well. So let's get on to showing you what I got inside. So there, whoops. We've got 8 products inside. This is their 3rd year anniversary box, and it says here I am not seed paper, and I remember from when I received the box a couple of months ago that this leaflet was seed paper, so you were able to plant it, which I thought was amazing. But it says here I'm not seed paper. There's a huge shortage of seed paper at the moment, so for this month we've had to print them on normal recycled card. We hope you don't mind. So the first item in the box is a bath bomb, and this is by Ascent Bath and Body, and it's from the Smells Like Summer collection, and this is beach bound with pineapple, banana, almond, coconut and tonka. What is a tonka? Tonka scented it's a bubble bar. It looks good enough to eat. It just looks like a cookie, and it says here packaging made from plants, not plastic. So I'll open it up and I'll show you, but I just wanted to show you the outer packaging. Absolutely love bath bombs. Oh my gosh, it does. It just looks like a gorgeous cookie. Got food on my brain. Oh, that is lovely. That is so nice. It's really pretty, isn't it? See what I mean by it looking like a cookie? And it smells like one too. So in the box you'll receive one of 3, so it's either a mini shower steamers, mini bath balls, or a mini bubble bar. So I've got the bubble bar, and the recommended retail price is £4.25. They say they're made with very mild ingredients which create the best bubbles but are also kind to your skin. Lashings of melted cocoa butter leaves your skin super soft and moisturised. If you selected both bath and shower, you will get one or the other at random. So if you're a subscriber, I'm assuming you might have had an email asking what your preference was. I'm happy with this. I use bath bombs all the time. So yes, that's the first item. It's by the brand Grums, and it's raw coffee. Oh, it's a hand scrub and wash with recycled organic coffee grounds collected by Cargo Bike in Aarhus, Denmark. And it's got 120 mils here. It says on the back, I'm green plastic. Apply after hand wash or as a general treatment for your hands. Rinse thoroughly with water. Avoid using any soap since this may remove the nourishing oils from the scrub and dry out your skin. It smells like coffee. Oh, obviously it would do, wouldn't it? Oh, shall I just put a tiny bit in my hand just to show you what it looks like? Ooh. See there? I'll have to wipe that off now. So the recommended retail price for this is £14.95, and it says a raw product with a blend of recycled organic drip brewed coffee grounds and pure natural ingredients. Our hands all need a little TLC at the moment, so here's a moisturising scrub to get them in tip-top shape. Works great on feet too. I am absolutely boiling. There's a heat wave going on in the UK at the moment. I think it's about, what, 28 degrees or something? We're not used to it, especially with lights in a little room. I am really hot. If I'm looking a bit flustered and a little bit sweaty, you know why. I might do unboxings outside actually. That might be the better option with a fan maybe. So next product is a product by Laid Bare, and this is DIY, a 2-in-1 cleanser and toner. It contains licorice, aloe vera, apple secret extracts, Brazil nut extracts, and we've got 30 mils here, and it is 99% natural. I'm not sure if I've tried this before. I don't think I have. I've tried a few Laid Bare products before. I've tried, have they got a cleanser? A pore cleanser? Oh, that rings a bell, I can't remember now. A no-nonsense antibacterial and soothing cleanser and toner in one for all skin types. So the recommended retail price for this is £6. It reduces inflammation, tone and strengthen the skin, while Brazil nut extract is a valuable antioxidant working hard to condition, nourish and repair. So we've got a cleanser and toner in one. Next we've got a moisturising lip balm, and this is by Beauty Made Easy. Is it Le Papier? And this is vegan, biodegradable, no plastic. And I think it's in shade Acai. I'm not too sure, I'll open it up now, but lovely packaging. That's what it looks like there. I'm not sure what that little thing is there. But what an amazing idea. It's just like a lip pencil, but in a balm. Oh, I want to put it on my lips. But yeah, no, that is lovely. That is really, really nice. We've got a lipstick in the box as well, but this is the lip balm, and the recommended retail price for this is £7.99. And it says, yes, a lip balm that's biodegradable. A mix of jojoba oil, almond oil, vitamin E and shea butter to keep your lips wonderfully soft, and the unique design makes it fun and eco-friendly to use. I love that. That is really, really good. So onto the lipstick then. This is the same brand as the lip balm. This is a matte lipstick called Mighty Matte. So again, exactly the same packaging. Oh, that is lovely. So yeah, let's see what it's like on my hand. Wow, that is quite pink. That is quite a pink shade. It might be nice like to apply a little bit onto my lips and like use my finger to like dab it in, so I give like a flusher colour to my lips as opposed to this bright colour. I don't know, it might not be opaque, it might not be. I love the fact that it's matte. I like that, but it doesn't feel matte. It just feels the complete opposite of a matte lipstick on my hand anyway. But no, I'm really intrigued to see what that is like. It is a bit of a bright colour for me, and not a colour I would wear all the time, but as I said, maybe just a little bit and tap it into my lips. It might be quite nice. So you'll either receive a makeup option or a non-makeup option, and this is obviously a makeup option, and this will cost you £12.95. This has just made eco-friendly lipsticks really easy to find. It contains extracts from the exotic Morira, Puama and Dominia plants. I wish I could say it properly. That stimulate the important microcirculation in your lips and build up natural volume for the perfect pout. So if you opted for a non-makeup option, you would receive a pink clay cleansing bar by the brand Balade en Provence, and the same price, £12.99. It doesn't have a picture there. But yeah, so I got the makeup option. Next, you got a foot balm in this gorgeous little pouch. This is by Skin Fed, and it's 100% natural organic foot balm. This is peppermint with shea butter, cocoa butter and vitamin E, and it's 50 mils here. I love this little packaging. I'm going to have to open it up and sniff it. Ooh, I squeezed it too much then. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Put a bit on my hand. Oh, it's lovely. It is lovely. I love like minty smells. That is lovely. That is really, really nice. It says, it's time to give your feet some love. I will nurture dry, cracked heels and hard skin using a blend of shea butter and cocoa butter that will leave your skin looking smooth and healthy. So the recommended retail price for this foot balm is £7.95. And it says this cooling and refreshing formula will bring relief to your tired feet whilst getting them in tip-top shape for flip-flops. So you've got a foot balm. Then we've got Hawaii Twist. Oh, I don't know what this is. It's for all skin types by Bella Forever. It just tells you what to use, so I'll just read that out to you. Combine 1 teaspoon of powder with 1 teaspoon of water and mix to create a thick paste. Apply to clean skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove cold water and moisturise as usual. So it's a face mask. So it's a do-it-yourself type face mask. Shall I open it up and see what it looks like? Can you see in there? Yeah, it's a full-size face mask and this will cost you £14.99. Restore, purify, exfoliate and hydrate your skin with this yellow clay mask that's a match for all skin types. It will help improve skin tone, deep cleanse your skin, restore the elasticity and softness of your skin. Yellow clay is more gentle than green clay, but still gives your skin the nutrients it needs. I love that. That's something a little bit different, isn't it? And lastly, there's a little treat. There's a little chocolate treat. This is a milk and vanilla, or milk. Oh gosh, MYLK and vanilla organic raw chocolate by the brand Raw Halo, and we've got 22 grams there. What is MYLK? Milk? I don't know. So buy this, it'll cost you £1.10, and it says, enjoy the plastic-free chocky, a little treat for everyone for our 3rd birthday. Thank you for your support. We hope you love this organic chocolate as much as we do. I'll have to try it, see what MYLK tastes like. You're probably thinking, Claire, my gosh, do your research. I know. That is so nice. It's really nice. It's really creamy. I'll save that for after. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up. There's 8 items in all. The cost of this box is £29.95. The value comes to just over £70. So we've got a cleanser and toner in one. We've got a bath bomb. We've got a hand scrub and wash. We've got a do-it-yourself face mask. We've got a lip balm. We've got a lipstick. We've got a foot balm and a chocolate. I really like it. I think there's some lovely things here. So it is nice to see something a little bit different, environmentally friendly, cruelty free, vegan. I just think it's great. I really like it, and yeah, I like the fact that they're bi-monthly subscription boxes as well. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Are you subscribed to the Cruelty Free Beauty Box? If not, is this a box that takes your fancy? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.